All right, well, hello everyone. My name is David Kraus.
My name's Alane.
Her name is Alane. Very good. How old are you?
5.
Alane is 5. And this is a very special day because this is Alane's first bow hunt with Papa. She's been asking and asking and asking to go bow hunting. So tonight we're going to go bow hunting and we're hoping to shoot. What are we going to shoot?
A doe.
We're going to shoot a doe, hopefully, or that's what we're going to try to shoot. So,
Or a buck.
probably not a buck, but
Maybe.
There's always that chance. We're going to try to shoot a doe, okay? So we've got a little ways to walk here. Let's grab my bow and we're going to go walk back in.
Hey, Papa, look how pretty that tree is.
Let's see. Let's look at that pretty tree.
Pretty. Isn't it?
That is a pretty tree. Very pretty. All right. Let's go back.
I see the corn moving.
What's going on?
The deer is in the corn and it's moving.
We're just going to have to scare it. Okay? Let's go to our spot.
Like this, so the deer smells it and comes close.
Well, I think we scared off about every deer in the county getting back in here because it's dead quiet tonight. But it's a nice warm night. So
It's really nice for a campfire.
it's a good night for a campfire. Yes, it is. Hey, that little autumn olive tree is shredded. I bet there was a buck that was doing that.
A big one.
I don't know. But it's a wonderful night. I'm in the saddle here, just kind of hanging off to the side of the stand. Elaine's got her little harness on. She's got a little harness on. Don't ask me what kind of harness it is, because I have no idea. It's my mother-in-law's. But it actually fits her really good. I've taken a new bow out for the first time. It's a JT. It's made by JT Custom Archery out of Muskegon, Michigan. It's a Apollo 2. Pretty sweet little bow. Hoping to have some does come in and have them not see us. It would be a miracle. We'll see. Maybe one will come in.
You get it? Yes!
Watch it. She's in the field. She just went down in the field. Yes! We got one! We did it! Oh my gosh! I can't believe we got one!
You got another one.
I know, we got another one.
You're good at
That's Papa's second deer this year.
Mm-hmm.
That's a big doe.
Now can I make a little noise?
Now you can make some noise.
Let's go get film.
I bet Mom and Dawson are gonna want to track him or track her. Don't you think? Okay.
Is Nia and Bobo gonna?
Nana and Bumper can probably help too. Alane's first bow hunt, and I just shot a doe, which is
Can
awesome.
you take the? When are we gonna get down?
We're gonna get down in just a minute. I got to get all my stuff put away. Okay.
I can carry your bow.
Can you move for me?
too.
Okay. Well, let me start getting all my camera stuff packed up. Okay.
Pick up Nia and Bobo.
We can. But go ahead and give a thumbs up.
Hold on. Dawson, point to it. Put your finger right down to it so I can see it.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. Right there, that way.
Watch your arrow. Watch your arrow. I guess I did get past through.
I found it.
Good job. Here, let me get that arrow taken care of, Dawes. Okay. Stay back. Stay back.
Wow, she's beautiful. She got a double white patch?
Oh, it broke off.
Oh, yes.
Does she have a double white patch? I don't know.
Keep walking, Alane. Walk to the tractor.
Good stuff in the video.
I'm gonna go slow just like you.
Okay, well, I got her back in the shop here. I'm getting her caped out. I don't know if you've ever seen anyone cape out a doe or not, but I'm a taxidermist, and I've been wanting a doe for my showroom for quite a while. And this is a pretty special one, so I figured, why not? So we're going to get it caped out here. She's beautiful, super pretty. I'm pretty pumped. That's the same broadhead that I shot that big 11-point with, and that did great. Those little VPAs, I'm really impressed with those. Got a pass through. Perfect shot, double lunged her, so that was pretty neat. But pretty cool little hunt. It's great having Alane there with me. Man, I can't believe how good she did. She sat still and she was quiet, especially when she was coming in. That was awesome. So can't ask for more. Yeah, that's a wrap on today's video. Thanks for coming along. See you guys in the next one.